How to use more than one app on Google Pixel tablet. To move between all the apps you're using, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, hold, then let go. All the apps you have open will minimize. Swipe left or right to scroll through all your open apps. Then tap the app you want to use. To use two apps at the same time, open an app from the taskbar or the app menu. Then swipe up from the bottom of the screen, hold, and let go. The first app you opened will appear minimized. Tap the split screen icon, then open a second app. Both apps will now appear on the screen. To use a different app in the split screen view, drag and drop another app over the one you want to replace. To close an app, including the split screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, hold, then let go. You'll see all the apps that are open. Then, find the app you'd like to close. While pressing the app, swipe up to the top of the screen to close it. To close all apps, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, hold, then let go. Swipe from left to right, then tap Clear All. Picture-in-Picture, PIP, shrinks a video from YouTube or other video streaming services into a small player so you can keep watching a video while using other apps. Open and play a video from YouTube or another streaming service, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen while the video is playing. Now open another app. The video shrinks into a picture-in-picture window. When you need to move the picture-in-picture window, drag it to another part of the screen. To prevent a picture-in-picture window, pause or close the video before opening another app. To learn more, visit the Pixel Tablet Help Center.